Hey guys, it's me, X with another crazy video. My mom let me skip today from school because it's my 5th birthday present. 5th birthday present from my mom that I could skip a day this week. So, gosh, I shouldn't eat the whole box of candy. Okay. Today, I'm gonna make some noise with my mouth. It's called dubstep. I'm gonna make dubstep noise on my mouth. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3. And if y'all haven't seen my latest video, it is called Trapped in Room Part 2. And I'm still making Part 3 and Part 4. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for Part 3 and Part 4, guys. So if y'all are wondering, I actually got them down on my sister's phone already. So I'll be publishing them soon. So, yeah.